What are you thinking then, Colin?
Huh?
What are you thinking?
I was just wondering how well this grows. It would be worth making the system a little bit smaller over time.
Ooh, that's a nice
still-
compliment.
Yeah.
You could probably get
Peg
it.
all on top.
I reckon that would grow back quite nicely, half-inch there.
Right, this is really important at this point, guys, because Stuart's got a skin system. I'm going to come in at this point, and Colin's brought up a valid point of growing the hair back. Stuart came in with a shaved head, so we made it guesswork, and then we kept it to that size, obviously, right?
Yeah.
With skin systems, you can be cute, as Colin knows, and leave a little bit of a quarter of an inch on each side, if depending on the style, and then gradually grow it back. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Like
Well, that was good.
Yeah. Well, you should
Thank
grow
you.
it back underneath the system.
Dusted off a few cobwebs. Yeah, go on then. From the stylist point of view, that sounded better than mine.
Grow it back underneath the system, which I've done quite a few times over
Right.
the space of like, couple of months, couple of regrooms. You have to bond over the hair as it's growing, but then eventually you can cut it down.
Scalp protector. That's a regular, isn't it? It's not the thick. Yeah, it's
Yeah, that's regular.
You've got two different strengths, thick and regular. Not sure if thick's just being lazy, saving putting 2 layers on, but
Yeah. The thick one I did find really good.
really,
The only problem is for the container it comes in with thick.
you can
After
go
a
off
few
quickly.
uses, you can't get it out.
Right, that's interesting. So pretty much then, if the client buys it, there's a good chance that it'll go off in there.
Well, what I did is I
So they should go with a
took the
regular.
lid off
Right, go on.
and got a cotton wool bud and spread it around. It works really well.
Good.
But
Right.
I did find that the clients that were using the extra thick definitely made a difference on how well it stuck. This one is a little bit debatable. It works really well for some people.
Yeah.
Other people, it's not.
Right.
Doesn't make a huge difference.
So if the dab on gets, because you like the spray, don't you? You
Yeah, I like spray.
And the spray doesn't come in thick, does it? It comes in just
Yeah,
regular.
just regular.
Should get onto walkers about that. Probably won't come out the spray out, would it?
Spray nozzle, yeah.
It's all logical. Never changes. It's like I was saying to Colin, it's not an exact science with this. You like using those,
Yeah.
but if people put it on too thick with it, then there's no point.
Yeah.
If it's dispersed across the
Yeah,
head,
you've
it's
got,
uneven.
you've got to even it out and go over it and over it and over it. But I find it a lot easier to be as close to the marks on the hairline that I've done. And put a very fine layer around the base of the system. Important thing is to get it nice and even. So it dries out level. See, back a little bit for me.
Whose fault is the weather? Is they're going to say, oh, it's
I've got to admit, I love the way the scalps look on the skin system, so it's incredible.
Yeah, they look good, don't they?
Yeah, that looks really, really good.
What are you doing then? Just putting the scissors through?
Yeah.
And what does that
Nice
do?
sharp. Well, I'm just texturing my hair so you're going a few different lengths in there, and it's
Okay.
it just kind of looks so blocky.
Yeah.
That's the other reason why I cut the ends with thinning scissors so I don't get straight
Yeah.
lines.
Yeah.
So it works really well.
But that doesn't dry it out though.
No,
No.
no, not at all.
Feels weird.
Do your thing.
That's all I want to do is that. I absolutely love it. There you go. Knock yourself out. Wow, I love it. Really, really, really love it. Really good. I love it. Really, really love it, thank you. Like, really, really love it. Yeah.
Give us a spin in the chair then, like
Proper,
go on, whiz round, go for
I
it.
can't, the chest stiff. Love it.